Welcome to inspectAR's full board calibration tutorial. This is the preferred calibration method for calibrating PCBs 20 centimeters in length or smaller. This method requires you to place the full PCB in view of the camera. Let's begin by explaining the different configuration options. There is an option to select an image to use instead of calibrating with the camera. If you are importing an image, it must be taken from an orthogonal camera perspective. Check out our documentation for more help. You can also select to calibrate a single side of the board if you know that you will work only with that side, or it is not possible to flip the board over. If you aren't sure, calibrate both sides. The first step to calibration is confirming that your board is in the right orientation. Use the silhouette of the silkscreen and solder mask layers provided to make sure the correct side is facing the camera and roughly matches their orientation provided. You can adjust the opacity of the silhouettes using the toggle as shown. Now, quickly confirm that the board is in focus using the focus controls provided. You should see a clear, crisp image without any blurring. Once you have confirmed proper focus and correct orientation of the board, you are ready to capture an image. Now that you have captured an image, it is time to drag the edges to match what you see in your work area. This is done by dragging the corner of the board outline. Once you have adjusted the four corners to roughly match the board outline, you can use the corner toggles below to automatically zoom into the area of interest. You can also lock axis and lock the handles of your toggles together for more precise adjustment. Locking the axes will allow you to move the board in either the vertical or horizontal direction only. Locking the handles will allow you to drag and expand the board outline. Once you've adjusted all four corners to quickly verify that they match the board outline, you can then advance the remaining side of the PCB to complete the calibration.